This video is sponsored by Syncios. Yo, what's up guys, Divyansh here, and today I have an amazing software for you guys by which you can transfer one phone's data to another phone within minutes. And this data includes your contacts, applications, videos, pictures, music, call logs and message chats. Also, if you are factory data resetting your phone, then you can easily take backup of all of your mobile's data onto your PC and later you can restore it on your mobile device. So now, without any further ado, let's get started. So, there is an application named Syncios Mobile Data Transfer and it is available for Windows, Mac as well as for Android. So first, you have to download the Syncios Mobile Data Transfer software onto your PC. It doesn't matter you're having Windows or Mac on your system. And after that, you have to install it, and after running the software, you can see all the options we get into this application. So, in the transfer mode, we get options for transferring data from one phone to another, and for this you have to connect both of your phones with the application. So now for connecting the mobile device with your application, you have to connect it by the Wi-Fi option and by scanning the QR code. Also, you can connect it with your mobile device by data cable and by enabling USB debugging option onto your mobile. But for connecting it with QR code, you need to download the APK of the application, and you can download it from the link given below in the description. Like here you can see that I connected my Honor 10 Lite with scanning the QR code using the Wi-Fi, and now I will connect my OnePlus 6T using the data cable. So here you can see that both of these smartphones are now connected to the Syncios application, and also you can switch between these two phones, that from which phone to which phone you want to transfer. Like I can transfer data from my Honor 10 Lite to OnePlus 6T as well as the vice versa. After connecting both the devices, you have to click on the next option and then you have to select whatever you want to transfer from one phone to another. And then you have to click on the next option and then it will start transferring the data from one mobile to another one. The transmission rate here in this application is much higher than what we get from ShareIt and Zender from mobile to mobile transfer, and it transfers large files within seconds. Also, you don't have to select multiple videos, multiple applications together, just you have to select on all option, and after that it will automatically send each and every videos if you select video option, each and every music if you select the music option. So selecting files is very easy for data transferring using the Syncios application. You can also use this application for restoring and backing up your data as I mentioned earlier. So this is how productive the Syncios Data Transfer application is, and you should give this application a try for sure, and you can download it easily from the link given below in the description, and I've also given the link below in the show notes. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video as well as this powerful software a lot, and guys, make sure to follow me on Instagram at techparadise_ for future updates and for exclusive giveaways. So if you have any question in your mind regarding this video as well as this software, then you can ask a comment below in the comment section, and if you guys like this video, then give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on tech. I am Divyansh and I'll catch you in the next one.